Good morning, YouTube. Welcome in. If I take a trade, you all will know it. You might hear Team Bull in the background. If you do, if they take a trade, doesn't mean I always take it with them. Feel free to if you would like. Good morning. All right. We got 2 minutes to market open. I'm going to talk to Team Bull for a minute as well. What's going on? Welcome in. The long term, that's part of it. That's when you get the best deals, right? If we always bought at all time highs, wouldn't be too good of an average on the long term. What's up? There we go. We got less than 1 minute. Everyone's focus. I do like it's quite a ways off, but if we push back up to 20,000, I'm going to watch that for possible reject. Here we go. What's up, YouTube? How was everyone's weekend? You have a good weekend? I'll let you know if I take a trade. We're kind of a little ways away from my levels right now. We got time to talk. I can answer some questions. So. Yeah. I see that, Bumblebee. That's how Brandon finds his swing trades. I see you, Jay Dunn. Camera's on. I don't think your speaker's on, though.
Yo, yo, yo!
What's up?
What's up, Busy Glow?
You see that that meme in the chat? That's how Brandon finds his swing trades.
Looks about right.
Hilarious.
What's going on, everybody? Good morning. How's your morning been, Busy Glow?
It's been good, man. Same old same. Worked out, went live.
So pretzel. Nice. Where's Mr. Greg this morning? Oh, he's on here. He's traveling. Let's go, baby! Start of the new week. Fresh weekend.
Jay Dunn, I had to reclaim host there because it wasn't allowing me to unmute once you.
Will you
Let me see.
put on mute? Allow.
Yeah, I got it.
Mute.
Yeah, we're good now. Oh wow, there's that push down to my zone.
Actually, Chrissy, I'm gonna have to take host back from you again too.
Take it.
I'm gonna share my screen.
Take it.
We're going back and forth, fighting over who's host. Will you make me a host, Crazy Glock? Let me reclaim it.
Yeah, you should be host now. All right, YouTube, back to the questions. I was talking to Jade on there for a minute. This is a 5-minute time frame.
Holy shit, Tesla's getting battered.
Oh yeah, I gotta get my. I'm not trading on my funded accounts yet, but I do have something special.
Battered.
I do have something special for you all on YouTube, everyone, this week. Got some giveaways coming, so
Let's go.
it's coming along well, Jack. The bot will be tested. The testing of the bot I'm having created starts probably towards the weekend, next week maybe.
You got anything I watched this morning, Mr. Grizzly?
Yeah, I'm watching for a bounce here, but we got. I don't like. We could confirm on this 5-minute candle. It could confirm a possible long entry. We'll see. Problem is, it could go either way in this area. We could possibly get the trend pushing back up towards pre-market low, but we have room to make good money up to pre-market low if this confirms before the possible reject. Unless it just hits it right now, which is probably going to. It did.
We could wipe the gap down. Spot.
You blindly agree to receive the giveaway? That's funny.
568. Previous day lows around that 565.6, 565.5. Spy 570 reject doesn't look terrible. Doesn't look terrible. 570 to 572 from that zone.
Oh, that would have been a perfect short entry, but I didn't take it. Gotta focus in here. So we hit demand, pushed back up to pre-market low, made a nice move. Now we're selling back off. Now we're trying to get the trend entry down.
That's all I'm really looking for at this point too. Is
That-
a trend entry to the downside. I was looking for a little higher push out, but same idea.
Wouldn't be surprised to see a little relief bounce this week.
Think so?
It's possible. There's a few things going on here. We're either in a correction because we're only about halfway through the average time frame of a bull run. Or we're about to go into a bear market, which usually lasts about a year to two, but that's going to give us the best buying opportunity long term.
I was kind of thinking that 2026 was going to be a bearish year. I think we'll see more upside before we see more downside.
Yeah, if we hit bear market now, I think 2026 is when the bull market will return. But, if we correct, it could be, 26, 27. If we correct and bounce. No entry yet. It's a tricky area. No entry. All right, let's try some NQ longs. Hold on. Yeah, it failed me. My computer being weird this morning.
You're just trying to keep you away from money.
Took some NQ longs at 8:45 with my fill. Keep pushing. Trimmed.
You're a beast. Jesus.
There we go. Trim. Wow.
Attaboy, Grizzly. My goodness.
This is a nice entry. We had a sniper entry there.
35, 40-point trade.
I have 2 remaining, everyone. 2 NQs. My stop loss is at a little bit in profits now. Yeah, I apologize for 11-minute workday, but I hit my stop 10 points in profit, everyone, on that trade. Trade's over. It could continue to go, but I want to lock in the profits on the runners as well.
Great job, bro.
Appreciate it. Curious, how many people took that with me and made some money? Just give me a W if you did.
A lot of W's coming in. 11-minute workday from Team Bull. That's what's up.
That's what I'm talking about. It's going to continue. Still a nice trade. Even if it does rip up, this is a really nice trade 11 minutes in. $11-minute workday. Now we can look for a possible short entry if we confirm below pre-market lows. That's the only setup I'm watching right now. 19,900 was my final price target when I was looking at this setup pre-market. We didn't quite get to it, but close. Do it, Sniper. If you've had 2 winning trades, log off and enjoy the rest of your day. That's awesome. Jay Quinn with 2,300 off that trade. If you want to try funded accounts, try Apex and use code Grizzly. I can send you my links if you DM me on Instagram. I got you. I'll answer some questions as long as it don't take me a complete book to answer. You know. Looking back at this trade, we should have had a little better entry. Honestly, we should have been in this trade around the 833, 834 area. So we got about 10 point late entry, I guess. I didn't mean to tag you with that one, CJG. I meant to tag someone else. That's funny. It looks pretty strong. I would be careful shorting it here, everyone. The way I flip my bias, everyone, or not bias, flip my mindset here, if we confirm below this pre-market low, see? We confirm here, this would be a perfect short entry if we get confirmation on this candle. This candle is looking really good for a short entry, everyone. I'll let you all know if I take it. I'll go half size since I already caught a nice trade with you all. If I take this trade. Got about 3 minutes to confirm, 2 to 3 minutes. If there's too much risk, we'll wait on a 50% retracement of this 5-minute candle on NQ before we take a short position. Everyone understand? Unless it goes to pre-market low, then this is trade's invalid. Or to a lower day, rather. Wow. Please just chill out, candle.
Board entry's starting to look spicy.
Yeah, man, it looks great. If we can just get a little more pullback after this candle closes. Bearish engulfing. Plus pre-market low. Below pre-market low. We can try some here, some shorts, but ideally we get our position closer to pre-market low. 19861. I'm gonna start some shorts here, everyone. Light size. I'm in. If you took the first trade, made a good amount of money, you don't feel like you have to take this. Some shorts, yeah, I took NQ shorts. I'd like to get low day out of this, ideally, which would be a massive trade for us. Come on. Push down. You're not going back above pre-market high. Go down. There we go. Trim. Jesus. Holy. Wow.
Holy
I just
shit.
made a bag off that trade. Massive bag. Oh my goodness. Who just made an insane bag with me on that? Holy. Wow.
Holy shit, my guy.
Oh my goodness.
That was crazy. Holy shit.
Oh my gosh.
That's what you call the eval passer.
That's what you call the retire.
That is what you call the eval passer.
For real, man. I got a little excited there. If Greg was trading with us today, he'd go kiss his wife after that one. I closed out the trade, everyone. I got completely out. Trade's over for me. This is one of them one of them trades where you just wish you had more to trim, but you just don't, you know? Two winning trades this morning. Off to a nice start.
That was killer, bro.
Told you I really like that setup. I know you all are making money. Have to be. Straight down. It's the previous day low. We just broke that. I don't know where we're going. No, I'm not in. I'm out completely. I only had 2 on that one. Only had 2 in queue short.
That was nuts, Grizzly. Great job.
I was full size the first trade, yes. That's right, YouTube. You all know the drill. We got 2 winning trades together. Nice trades. Both were big trades. If you want my indicator you see on the screen, you can go to grizzlytrades.com, get signed up. And be sure you take advantage of the Grizzology community chat. If you have any issues with it, get the WHOP app, WHOP.com, the app, and you can access the Grizzology chat with it. So. Appreciate you all as well. Yeah, real quick, run up the likes before we get off here. Thumbs up, run them up. Appreciate you all.